October 18th, Wednesday. Saint Luke the Evangelist, Proclaimers of Peace. The peace of the Lord be with you. Today we celebrate the feast of Saint Luke, the Evangelist, who was a good companion of Saint Paul in his second and third missionary journeys. It was Paul who helped Luke experience Jesus Christ in his life. The third Gospel, as well as the Acts of Apostles, were both written by Luke. The readings of today offer us a challenge in how we will approach the task of establishing God's kingdom, which has been assigned to every one of us. In the first reading, Paul specifically instructs Timothy on how people opposed him and betrayed him when he was on a journey to proclaim Christ. Nevertheless, he survived them by the grace of God. Similarly, in the Gospel, Jesus gives the disciples instruction on where to go while they are on a mission. Then he sends them two by two. This draws attention to the communitarian aspect and shows how mission involves cooperating with the Trinitarian God in his mission. To do such a mission, that is, spreading kingdom values, we require self-renunciation and a single-minded focus on the task entrusted to us. Jesus doesn't give his disciples a protracted speech outlining his missionary principles. He only gives them the directive to wish everyone peace. One of the defining values of the kingdom is peace. Are we sowing the seeds of peace in our day-to-day conversations? Pray and practice. Dear God, give us the grace to be markers and dispensers of peace, as your Son, Jesus Christ, instructed the disciples to do.